Welcome to 251 Blue Savannah Street. This nice 2-bedroom, 2-bath, duplex patio home. 2 parking spaces out front. Updated laminate vinyl plank hardwood look flooring inside and a small fenced backyard. It's located in the Colonial Commons neighborhood in Southeast Columbia. Convenient to Garners Ferry Road, I-77, the VA Hospital, and Fort Jackson. So we're out front now. I apologize about the noise. We have some work going on next door, it looks like. But we're out front. You can see there's 2 nice sized parking spaces here in the front. Can accommodate a vehicle or a truck possibly, depending on size. You have a covered front porch out here as well. I believe the exterior landscaping is taken care of by the HOA also. Once we enter the inside of the unit, you can see there's laminate vinyl plank flooring throughout the main living area. So it starts here in the foyer, also in the kitchen, and in the living and dining room. The bedrooms do have carpet. So you have vaulted ceilings sort of starting. You can see them sort of sloping up from the front door. Kitchen is right off to the right side. We have a nice small eat-in and dining area, large window looking out towards the front. And you have white cabinets and appliances mostly in here. There is a stainless steel dishwasher. It's also a refrigerator, smooth top electric range, and microwave as well. And the kitchen is open out to the dining and living area. And you can see those ceilings again. So on the left here, there's a bedroom and a bathroom. I wouldn't take a look at that quickly since we're here. So you have a guest bedroom sort of off the front entry of the home. You have a ceiling fan in here. It's a pretty nice sized room. Has a closet on this side, and then has access to the bathroom, which is a full bathroom here. That flooring continues into there also. You have a single vanity and then a shower and tub in here. And then the second door leads back out to sort of right off of the dining area. So you have access to this bathroom, both for guests or for whoever who has access to that second bathroom as well. Second bedroom, excuse me. Does work well also as an office. You have a coat closet here off the entry also. And then once we get into the sort of dining and living room area, you can see there's a counter bar that runs on the outside of the kitchen. You have a nice sort of formal or a larger size dining area here. There's some glass shelving on the opposite side built into the wall. And a nice sized room, again with the vaulted ceilings, a ceiling fan in the living room, as well as a gas log fireplace. And you have sort of a media niche recessed there. Most likely couldn't fit a lot of your larger widescreen TVs there, but it is a possible storage area. And then you have your laundry room or laundry closet with full-size washer and dryer connections. It's actually a bit oversized, so you do have some storage in here as well. And then you have some shelving above. Then you have a sliding glass door back here. I'll adjust that light for you. And you have a patio out back. And there's also a storage room there as well. And then a small fenced backyard area. Privacy fencing back there. And then off of the living room, you have your master suite. So again, the vaulted ceilings are sort of a half vault. It continues in here. This room is of course larger. Does have the ceiling fan as well. And that flooring is also in this bathroom. In this one, you have a sort of a large walk-in shower with some corner seats there. And then you have, we'll see from the other side, the sink. But at the back end, there's sort of an alcove for the commode. Walk-in closet at the back. Some good storage space in there. And you also have a linen closet. And then a single vanity on the sink, or a single sink rather, and then sort of some extra countertop area. So that completes our tour of this home. Again, the address is 251 Blue Savannah Street in Colonial Commons in Southeast Columbia. You can find out more information on this home by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com.